G'day guys, I will show you how to clean a leather jacket. So this is the leather jacket here. See the spine? There, that's a barb of the spine. All you have to do is just cut along this part here. So cut along, pull them apart. All the guts and everything come out, and then you just open from the leather here, pull it out, and then using a scissors cut from here and cut this off. And here's the leather jacket. There, one clean leather jacket. I'll show you another one. Cut from here, pull them apart, turn it sideways, and then pull the leather out, pull it out, cut across here, get rid of the guts. That's two leather jackets. I'll show you another one. Pull it out, pull the leather jacket apart, oops, cut across. That's three. One more. Pull the leather, cut across there, that's five. One more, pull across, there. See, the leather is so hard. Cut across, pull this one out, and there you go guys. One leather jacket, two leather jacket, three leather jacket, four leather jacket, five leather jacket clean. There you go. Easy. Catch you later. GoPro, stop recording.